Quick performance tip for Windows 10-11 users: Microsoft includes a built-in function called Delivery Optimization that might be causing problems on your computer. While this tool is designed to speed up system updates and application downloads by sharing files between computers on your local connection and across the web through peer-to-peer sharing, it has significant drawbacks. This function comes activated by default. Despite its intended purpose, it performs poorly when managing your computer's RAM and gradually reduces system performance. A technology enthusiast conducted experiments and discovered that delivery optimization consumes excessive RAM unnecessarily. After running similar experiments on multiple laptops, these findings were confirmed. This function genuinely hampers computer performance over time. I strongly suggest disabling this function on both operating systems. To be transparent, I've always kept it deactivated. Personally, I have concerns about Microsoft's data management practices regarding devices on my home connection and peer-to-peer networks, essentially transferring their duties to others. I've never experienced delays receiving system updates with it turned off. Open Settings and navigate to System Updates in the side panel. Click on Advanced Settings. Under Additional Settings, select Delivery Optimization. Toggle off Allow file sharing from other devices. Once deactivated, your computer will have more RAM available for essential tasks. Open Settings and go to Update Security. Select Delivery Optimization from the side panel. Toggle off Allow file sharing from other computers. With this function disabled, your system resources become available for more critical operations, improving overall computer responsiveness. Was this guide helpful? Share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.